Now, when we think about Sabbath and work and overwork, notice this about Sabbath. Sabbath and work are not opposites. They're not opposites. That's why we are calling in Thrive Sabbath a pattern or a rhythm of rest and work. We're learning to trust in God's provision through a rhythm of rest and work. So Sabbath and work are not opposites. Notice this. Rest is not the kind of thing that necessarily fixes what work breaks. So we can't have the perception that work is all toil and work is wrong and rest fixes everything that work does or breaks inside of us. But what rest does is it creates a healthy pattern, a healthy rhythm for both of these things of work and rest inside of our lives. And it actually renews us and honors God. We observe the Sabbath because it's a holy day designed by God, and we're supposed to pay attention to the Lord our God. Work without rest causes both our work and our relationships to begin to deteriorate. That kind of workaholism, that kind of overwork actually creates deterioration in our work as well as in our relationships. But then rest without work becomes the vice of sloth. So we're being given this healthy pattern inside of our lives to reflect the way that God has designed us. So our rest actually participates in the rest of God.